like a wheelchair. When me and your competition, dog, me know so life to feel feel. Carry belly like a bitch in her pink ear.
So Little Vybz featuring Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel have a line in it to him say, as some roll like a wheelchair. Me and your competition, me know it no feel fear. Bro, tell me who you think the line they go for? Me know say the line there it kinda general, you know, but who you put, who for name you put right there so. At this point, it a go for alkaline and masicka right now. You see me? And also we are going to talk about how this prison hype, it a put pressure on zebra. Well, it a put pressure upon any man who go to prison and forward out and just sit down in the house and not do nothing. People are going to ask where am there. And something when me notice when nobody not talk about, if Gully Gaza a headline, then possibly we are going to see Vybz Kartel a perform on bands. Because more than likely, Vado are going to perform on bands. And the last thing, the Gully Gaza clash, a bands them they depend. But people, we are going to talk about it. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And if a Real Talk me make short the video, you like the video, subscribe if a Real Talk me make. Drop a Real Talk comment in the comment section. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a Real Talk me make. You see me? So yo, people, we see the rollout going with Gully Gaza at some fest. And we not hear nobody, we not hear the haters, and we not hear nobody at talk about bands. You remember how them did I use this bands things and I try beat Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel not no pay them no mind. Vybz Kartel was going to work with him tracks until the little argument they die out. It die out so much that we not hear nobody I say, yo, Gully Gaza, that means say a bands my work. We don't hear nobody talk about bands again. Vybz Kartel kill that. But you don't know a conversation we deal with and reasoning. Is it possible that we are going to see Vybz Kartel work on a bands? Because you don't know how the whole sting thing go. And you don't know how clash thing go. The clash culture a bands them work on. You see me? So it possible that's a bands them work on. Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel in control, you know. Me tired for talk this. Me talk this over DJ Dreadbeard and who and Vex. But a Vybz Kartel a bring the whole Gully Gaza thing. Yeah. Because if a Vado alone, him not sell one ticket. So does Vybz Kartel, I bring the whole thing and the Gully fans them a tag along and Vado a tag along. But so if him choose him want clash band tracks, them can't do nothing about it. But it possible, man. It possible say, you see Vybz Kartel perform pan bands. But you know Gaza fans, it either here or there, whether a tracks or bands.
When me and your competition, dog, me know so life to feel feel. Carry belly like a bitch in her pink ear.
So all who follow me, them know so them kind of song, yeah, sometimes I prefer them over the war song. You see me? Hype life song and they must stun pan you. So I must say, yo, and me and your competition and me know so it no feel fear. Bro, we know who that go for in the generation, yeah. The two man them are the two fan base them where I try go against Vybz Kartel. Every day they up on the internet. I disrespect Vybz Kartel, have him in a thumbnail, have him in a title. Alkaline and masicka. Vybz Kartel are on a competition and it's not fear. Me know enough. Me know it not feel fear to enough. You know say yo, Jano, why Vybz Kartel still the in our era? Why him couldn't be like a Bounty, a Beanie, a Elephant Man, a Spragga Benz, a Idona where just run for them era? And you know say, in a 2005, in a 2006, a Idona them era. This a our era now. This a masicka and alkaline era. We don't have Idona to deal with. Why a Vybz Kartel can't just stay in an era? That's how Vybz Kartel has say. Right, there's I don't know my lyrics them and some happy even be a conversation around it alone. Yeah, cause who follow me don't know my lyrics them bro. It no fear for have a legend. As me state in another video say Vybz Kartel is like a vampire in the music business, bro. From the man boss until now him there in every era. And I hit me that about the skipper. Say yo, don't make Vybz Kartel forward in your era. Don't diss him and make your fan base try diss him to and then you have Vybz Kartel versus some skipper fans, some young fans and then Vybz Kartel again in the newest generation. It not go fear. For a man like Skipper, it not gonna be fear. The status quo is I should have alkaline and masicka Skipper the man them in a generation. I should have automatically a them around the generation because young people time now. I saw it go. Young people time now. You see me? But Vybz Kartel is just anomaly, bro. He's an anomaly and him know it, and that's why I'm saying tonight's song. Him know it, so him just a rub it in. You see me? Yeah. Him just a remind you say, yo, me know say, no like say, me still the boat. Because I full no time now. But me there see him we and I find new song. Bro, our next set of 3 song or 4 song the man I go roll out before the album, you know. Again, you know, we are going to take over the place again, you know. Onslaught, Disgrace, the one with the man Shensia, the one with the man Shanstorm. Our next set of 3 song again, 4 song again. He might do it all over again. It is not fair. You see me? Because in a I don't time and busy signal time, it never fair for them neither, you know. And the same thing Vybz Kartel do them, you know. In every generation, Vybz Kartel did it and it not fair to youth them. Because I feel them generation and a them should not run it, but Vybz Kartel did it, bro. Yo, I love when the man chat them something and say, dog. Yeah, man, and me, I one of the biggest fans of them kind of lyrics, yeah. Yeah, man, you have to tell them, bro. You have to remind them. And say, yo, me know where I go through, you know. Yeah, but you know, have to just live
This
with
is
it.
real
Yeah, man,
talk.
so what do you know? Me I listen to one panel. You see me? And them a ask, where is Zebra? Where is Zebra? We know say a sarcasm and a joke thing, but them just a use it for beat back the people them. What did I talk about? Vybz Kartel, prison hype. But the way how them a do it, them not do it like a sarcasm. That are the Gaza fans them on the panel, you know. Them a ask, where is Zebra? Where is Zebra? Me not think him would have sell out stadium already. You see me? And the way how the man them a do it, it kinda feel like them a put pressure upon even Zebra. So Zebra right now, people are expect Zebra for a sell out stadium and I do whole heap of arena. So fun and joke aside, any man will go to prison from now on, pressure upon him, you know. When a man used to can go to prison and forward out and go up on vacation and get back in life together, people now ask so which part your concert they be a pressure upon you, you wonder where is a forward from? Yeah, he might feel a way, especially if when him go to prison, him did a run the place or him did act. And when him found out of prison, people are going to expect him to do some great things and create some history. Because them a say, yo, Vybz Kartel do it so you can do it too because I see him prison hype. So people are going to start pressure some artists, boy. I'm not trying to go to prison, you know. Yeah, for the wrong and the right reason, trying to go to prison. Because the people are going to expect you to do some things. Because when the youth end up on the panel, you know, me say, it's sweet me. Them a ask, where is Zebra, until one of them and them start backpedal and say, him never did I say a prison I met Vybz Kartel I do him I do. The way all them a pressure him, I run from the argument and I say him I never one of the man them where I say a prison I met Vybz Kartel I do him I do. Yo, me say pressure I got depend some artists cause Vybz Kartel alone can do him I do because when you get it wrong from the start. It wasn't a prison hype, it's a Vybz Kartel hype. But yeah man, me just like how the people them turn around the prison hype something there. Yeah, whether sarcasm or literally them a turn it around on the haters them and I say, yo, so oh we not see this man here do this, oh we not see this man here do that. This man here prison longer than Vybz Kartel. Oh we not see him a sell out no show. You see me? Not even one 3K venue somewhere. Where him come from? Which part Zebra come from? Not even in a community, nowhere. And that I go for every artist from now on. We go to prison, where they go for 1 year, 2 years, people are going to expect you to have some kind of hype. Because Vybz Kartel they have the hype there. But people, we have reached the end. If you knew, but people, we have reached the end. If a real time I make you like the video, comment real talk in the comment section. Share the video if a real time I make. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a real time I make. And the video up on the screen is a video I drop yesterday. So if you not watch it yet, you can go watch it now. I am DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
Real talk.